How to sort a list/tuple of lists/tuples by the element of a given index? I have some data either in a list of lists or a list of tuples, like this. And I want to sort by the second element in the subset. Meaning sorting by 2, 5, 8 where 2 is from, 1, 2, 3, 5 is from, 4, 5, 6. What is the common way to do this? Should I store tuples or lists in my list?
Or the default sort mode is ascending. To sort in descending order, use the option reverse equals true. Or
for sorting by multiple criteria, namely for instance by the second and third elements in a tuple, let and so define a lambda that returns a tuple that describes priority, for instance.
I just wanted to add to Steven's answer if you want to sort the array from high to low. Another way other than in the comments above is just to add this to the line. And the result will be as follows.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.